Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about a website which is going to be very useful for you guys if you are a programmer, if you are a coder, and if you are looking for a website which helps you in coding. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to write the W3 Schools. So as you can see, I'm going to write this, and you have to press the enter. After pressing the enter, as you can see, has the website for you. And if you want to learn the coding or if you want to make changes in your coding, you can get a lot of help from this website. So as you can see, all the programming languages are provided here. If you want to open the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, and all the programming languages are listed here. For example, I'm going to open the HTML, so you have to click on the HTML. As you can see, they have provided all the information about the HTML, that how you can write the code. You can practice on it here. So I'm going to open the HTML introduction. As you can see, here's the code. What is HTML? The introduction of the HTML, and the simple code is written as well, and the simple pattern of the code is written as well. If you want to check out this or practice, you can click on the try it yourself. And as you can see, here's the editing panel. You can add the code or remove the code, and you can click on the run. It will run. The exercises are provided here, certificates are here, and all the tutorials are provided as well. So in this way, you can see, as you can see, that they have provided job section as well. If you are looking for the job, you can also get that. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can write the code or verify your code. You can get a lot of help from this website, and this website is going to be very useful for you guys in your coding career. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.